All right, I wanted to go over the scroll bar styling, and basically the main thing with that one is how to control when this scroll bar is activated, and it's all based on the maximum height that you set for that. The main one is set in line with the content, um, and this is how to do it. So basically, we're going to open up, since we're on the About page. We're going to go to that. I have it on my desktop. HTML files, architects, About. And what we're looking for is it's called scroll pane. And that's what it's always going to be called. Let's see. I'm found it. All right, scroll pane. You could always do control find as well. I didn't want to cheat for it. All right, let's see. And you'll notice that I wrote it in line, and basically it's just to make it easier for you so that you didn't have to look for it in the CSS. I knew that sometimes you guys were going to change the height of the website, and it just made it easier if it was in line with the content to customize it and all that kind of stuff. So all you need to do is basically change that. I'll make it real dramatic by putting it like 190 or something like that, so you can really see the difference. And refresh the page, you'll see obviously it went really short, and that's basically all you need to do. Obviously, if the content is too short, let's say we just pulled all of the content out of this, you'll notice this scroll pane goes all the way down to contain all of the content. At the bottom it says close scroll pane. If we pulled out all this content, let's see, except for one of the paragraphs at the top, this one, then I saved it. I do a lot of just Apple S. Sorry about that. It'll automatically disappear. It only is going to appear if the content overflows below that. So it's pretty cool about that. Excuse me. And you'll also notice below this scroll pane, which is on every page actually, it just doesn't appear, like I said, because a lot of the pages don't have overflowing content, is the JavaScript for the scroll pane. And it's pretty simple. There's not really a whole lot of options you can play around with. There are some on the page. There's a link in the documentation if you want to learn more about it. But other than that, it's just basically activating it. And that's it for that. On the that's basically each page has that. And as you noticed, like I said, it's written in line, so you're going to want to update it each time. And if you don't like that, if you want one set one instead of a whole bunch of inline ones, just pull it from inline and then style this in the CSS. It's fine. It should be easy to do it that way. I just figured it was easier to do this way since there's different pieces of content in these boxes. So yeah, and then there's other places as well where this comes up, and that's in the services area. And let's see right here. And this one I left controlled in the CSS since it's more of a rare thing. And the way that you're going to edit this height, I'm just pointing this out so that you're not searching for it for a while, is in the CSS standard.css file. And I made sure that it was easy for you if you were changing a lot of heights and stuff. I made this area where all the other heights were, and this is the height for that right here. List carousel, list height. And if you wanted to change that, you can just do that. We'll make it real dramatic again. Make it 100. We'll go there, and then you see it automatically adjusted that. We'll change that back real quick. And that's how to change this one as well, this scroll pane. And if you're wondering how you wanted to style this, if you wanted to change the stylings of it as well, all of these scroll pane styles